Hello, Namaste. For the last 15 years, Foundation for Children in Need has done marvelous job in remote villages of India. FCN has touched many of the lives through various of their activities and has made a tremendous impact. Most of it is possible because of great sponsors like you from United States. And thank you for all your support. FCN Home for the Destitute is the milestone in the history of FCN. It's a dream of Dr. Geeta and Tom Chitta, co-founders of FCN, to build a home that will take care of elderly, physically challenged and orphans. It will serve the most neglected, vulnerable and very deserving. This home is built on the outskirts of Hyderabad near Shadnagar. It's an hour drive from the city and just 30 minutes from the airport.
Hearty welcome to one and all here. Thank you for taking your valuable time and coming over here to join us for this wonderful cause. Please pray for us.
Today is a golden day in the history of Foundation for Children in Need. This day marks the beginning of a great journey. We together can sacrifice and share our many blessings to build this home. It will provide the less fortunate to better their lives and achieve their dreams.
It is such a great opportunity for me to be part of FCN. We are going to have a Vareva dining room here, and the required funds to raise for that I'll be taking on my shoulders. Please, whatever blessings you can do, please bless us, and thank you for all.
FCN Home will serve 200 elderly, physically challenged and orphans. It will be a home where the most needy will experience love and care. It will be a powerhouse of service. We are forever grateful to all those who have generously supported for this noble cause. We will be able to complete it with your generous support. Please join your hands.
In India, most of the elderly are taken care of by their children. Some are unfortunate, either they are never married, had no children. They struggle a lot at the senior age as they do not have any income to support themselves or a family members to look after them. FCN Home will serve such needy people. the care for the physically challenged is going to be of tremendous help for the families who have a need. Many a times in the rural villages, there is no proper facilities to take care of them. These are some of those who are totally helpless. Srinath is one of them. FCN has sponsored him for many years. He is doing his 12th grade with high honors. FCN home will serve those for whom their own houses in the villages are not handicapped accessible. It will be a powerful place of service where love and peace will abide. It will bear a tremendous witness to the God's love. This home will give opportunity for many to love and serve the poor and share their time, talent and treasure. Tom and Dr. Geeta will live at this home to serve the poor and train the next generation.